We are very pleased today to have the Consul General of the United States visiting Aruba. It's his second visit after his introductory visit in August, and today we had a quite important agenda. We spoke about many of the cooperations between Aruba and the United States. Our pre-clearance is one of the beautiful examples of a very special service that Aruba has and that is very rare in the world based on the strong cooperation between Aruba and the United States. We also spoke about the FOL, which is an important organization, and tax treaties that we have with the United States, which we are now also expanding in a very important way. And an important project which we have been working on with the Department of Homeland Security, and that we hope that also with the cooperation of the Consul General, we could be successful in, hopefully this year. That is a project of creating the pre-clearance facility also for the private airplanes that fly in the future from Aruba to the United States. That would make Aruba a very interesting place also for all the private airplanes that fly from the region to the United States that could come to Aruba to get inspected by Customs and Immigration of the United States present in Aruba. It would be a great contribution to the economy of Aruba if we could make this project successful. And we have also shared our vision on our green program. It is important that Aruba have important partners in the world to make this enormous conversion to sustainable energy possible for Aruba, but also for the world.
The partnership that we enjoy today with Aruba encompasses many areas. We appreciate, Mr. Prime Minister, your government and your law enforcement agencies' cooperation in our shared fight against illegal drug trafficking. We also deeply appreciate the very warm hospitality you extend to literally hundreds of thousands of American visitors every year.
And growing.
I saw the statistics. It's great. To the shores of this beautiful island. And yes, they are leaving the winters of New England behind, but they're also attracted by the great beauty and friendship of Aruba. I'd like to congratulate you, Mr. Prime Minister, on your and your government's commitment to environmental protection and to sustainable development.